Good everyone, you're watching Video Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you cannot see Wi-Fi networks in your Windows 11 machine. When Windows 11 cannot see any Wi-Fi networks, the issue usually stems from a disabled wireless adapter, corrupted network drivers, or a glitchy WLAN services. So in this video, you will see some of the most effective steps to restore your Wi-Fi connection. Now the first step is to go ahead and enable the Wi-Fi adapter. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. Once you have the device manager open, you will have to go ahead and expand network adapters. Right click on your wireless adapter. For example, it could be Intel, Realtek or MediaTek. In my case, it is a Qualcomm. So I can do a right click and then click on enable device. If it is already enabled, you may try to go ahead and disable this device. So you can click on disable, do a right click again and then click on enable device. Once this is done, you may close this window and then check if you are able to see the Wi-Fi network. In case if you are able to see, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and run the network troubleshooter. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you can click on the system and then on the right hand side, you will have to locate for troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Under troubleshoot, you will have to click on other troubleshooter. Now here you will see the set of troubleshooter listed here. In case if you have used your network and internet troubleshooter in the past, it would show under most frequent. Otherwise, it will be listed under other troubleshoot. In my case, since I have used this troubleshooter in the past, it shows under most frequent. Click on run and follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. What this will do is, this will try to diagnose the problem within the computer. This is an inbuilt troubleshooter. Once all these steps are successfully executed, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if you are able to see your Wi-Fi network. In case if you are able to see Wi-Fi networks, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and reinstall the wireless driver on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. Once you're on the device manager, you will have to expand network adapters or network drivers. Under network drivers, you will have to locate your wireless driver. Like earlier, as I mentioned, it could be Intel, it could be Realtek, MediaTek or Qualcomm. In my case, it is a Qualcomm. So I can do a right click and then click on uninstall device. Once the uninstallation is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer, and when you restart your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers. Once the drivers are reinstalled or once your computer is back to the desktop, you may go ahead and check if you are able to see the Wi-Fi networks and try to connect. If you are able to connect, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to perform a network reset on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on network and internet. Under this, you will have to scroll down and locate for advanced network settings. Click on it. Under advanced network settings, you will see network reset under mode settings. Click on it and then click on reset now. Once you reset, shortly after some time, your computer will restart. Once your computer restarts, try to check if you are able to see Wi-Fi networks, and this should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step, what you could try is you can restart your WLAN auto config service. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc. Now this will show you all the list of services which are currently running on the computer. In this list, you will have to locate for WLAN. It would be in alphabetical order. It's called WLAN auto config. You can do a right click and then click on properties and make sure the startup type is being set to automatic. In case if it is being set to manual, you can use your startup type option drop down list and make sure it is being set to automatic. Click on apply and then click OK. Once this is done, you can do a right click on the WLAN auto config again and then click on restart. So with this, you're making sure the WLAN auto config service is up and running and it is being set to automatic. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer, and with this you should be able to see the Wi-Fi networks on your computer. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.